everyone, so welcome back to my channel again. So today I'm going to explain you what are the basic elements in block coding. I will be doing another video about this for advanced stuff, but this is normal block coding for kids, and its name is Scratch. Most of you have heard of it, and the basic elements in Scratch. Number 1, blocks. The blocks is the main building units, just like this. The blocks, they snap together to create like a program, just like Lego, if you guys know. Second one, motion blocks, here. Now, motion blocks is used to move sprites. Here, the sprite is the cat. A sprite refers to a character in your programming place. This is your program place. You can choose your sprites in Scratch. You can choose your sprite in Scratch just like this. If you want an animal, you can click on animals. For now, I click crab. So there we go. So then, motion blocks is used to move sprites. For example, it's used to move sprites in, what do you say, like in a way. So if I put it here and I click on it, the crab moves 10 steps. That's the crab's 10 steps. So it is like that. Then the third one is control blocks. Control blocks, they manage the flow of the program. Example, if then for decisions. Repeat 10 for loops and wait 1 second for delays. So here you can see control blocks. Repeat, wait seconds. You can add how many seconds you want to wait. Forever loop, if then loop, if then else loop, wait until a time loop, repeat until a period of time loop, stop all when I start as a clone, and create clone of myself, delete this clone. These are all the blocks of, what do you say, the control blocks of this the crab stuff. Then loops. A loop is for repeated actions, just like I showed you, the forever loop. This is the only loop that you can get. This is the forever loop. So if you put forever, move 10 steps and move 15 degrees, move 30 degrees. For example, I keep it. No, I put 90 degrees, right? 90 degrees. Yeah. Now, if I click on it, and it keeps on doing that, just like that, until I stop. So, for example, I keep wait 1 second, then do it, and it might be a little bit more slower, but it would be kind of slow. So I would put wait, point, 0.06. So you can see the crab making a triangle shape. This is why we need what do you say, loops. Then we have conditionals. For example, if something happens, then do this. If that does not happen, else, like, do something else. So then we have events, the most important part of everything. Events. This is the main block. When this green flag is clicked, your code runs. So when green flag clicked, do something. So that's why we have events. It's the starting blocks. It's the starting blocks of your coding. Then you have looks and sounds block. Here, you can change the color. You can say hello. You can switch costume. It's not very, what do you say, important. Then you have operators. Here operators are here for math. For it's to perform math or compare values. For example, 3 plus 2 and x is greater than 10. Like that, you can compare values if you know that. Then you have variables. Variables can store information like scores, timers, and names. You can make your own variable. For example, set score to 0, change score by 1. Then you have custom blocks. You can create your own block. Right over here. You can give a block name, add a label, and then, yeah, that's how it is. But that's actually very advanced. Then finally, you have sensing code. Sensing code is like, what do you say? What do you say? It's for sensing stuff. If touching mouse pointer, then what do you say? Then say hello. Okay. For example, put say hello. Else, um, think. Here. Okay. If I click this, yeah, and then I keep it here. Yeah, right over there, and then click it. See, when I touch the mouse pointer, it does not go. So then I turn it off, and I touch it, and I like play the game. It says because the mouse pointer is not touching. Like even if it touched, it would change because it's not in a repeat loop. It's very complicated. I'll teach you how to do this in my other video, and that's all of the basic stuff you need to know. And I'm signing off. Bye bye.